Concrete member schedules. Concrete member schedule following drawing variants fall into the category concrete beam schedule. Beam schedule not to be used with the bar bending schedule for the particular form of the output of the generator with the engineer reinforcement list is on span by the span base of the beam schedule with the use of the other party of the specialist detailing firm. Contractor produced bar bending schedule for the necessary for the construction. Proceed with the beam schedule for the creative of the building and floor. Select the beam with the information shown with the schedule for the base and with the design beam groups. Beam schedules are created with the DX format even though they don't include graphical information so they can be added to the beam detailed drawings. Concrete column schedule. Column schedule is displayed with the construction cross-section through each stack with the selected columns with the reinforcement quantity table. The option include with the concrete wall schedule. Wall schedule is displayed on the cross-section through each stack with the selected walls with the reinforcement quantity table. The option is optionally included. Prior to creating these drawings, you should enter the option member skills you have with the computer to meet the requirements. How to create concrete beam schedule. Open the 2D scene view displaying with the beam that included on the schedule with, for example, the particular construction level, the frame and submodel. Click draw beam schedule with above the button is not only available with the current view display with the 2D of the buttons grayed out. Check with that are not in the structure view and the 2D scene view displayed in 3D. In DX form, export perform preference dialog. Choose the type and style of the required specify the drawing scale. If the required amount of minimum text box placement, adjust the distance between independent lines of text. Either accept the automatic file name, enter the name directly, click OK. How do I create a concrete column schedule? Open the 3D frame view for the displaying with the columns to be included with the schedule. Click draw column schedule for the display with the columns included with the click OK. In the DXF preference dialog, choose the drawing type of style with required, specify the drawing scale. If required, minimum text box spacing in order to adjust the distance between independent lines of text. Enter the accept. Either accept the automatic file name or enter the name directly. Click OK. How to create concrete wall schedule. Open a 3D view of the frame of the displaying walls to include with the schedule. Click draw wall schedule. Select walls to include, then click OK. In the DX export preference dialog box, choose the type and the style required and specify the drawing scale. If required, minimum text box spacing in order to adjust the distance between independent lines of text. Either accept the automatic file name, enter the name directly. Click OK. Schedule management. Although individual schedules created are as when required, it is possible to create a batch schedule. Single operation schedule management command facilities process allowing you to select the drawing variant, add drawing, select members to include, arrange drawing layout, either linear or grid arrangement, create revision, review the revision history, reset bar marks in order to remove the gaps in bar mark numbering. How do I add new drawing? Specify this content, click draw schedule management, specify add drawing, a variant, add, enter the name of the new drawing, click content, choose from a list of only the items not already on the drawing, pick show unassigned only, else pick show all, draw members, include the left plane to the right plane, drawing contents dialog, click OK. How do I specify the layout? Select the drawing name in the available drawing list, click layout, check with the direction arrangement layout is required, click OK. How do I view a drawing? Select the drawing name available drawing list, click view drawing DXS preference, choose the drawing type, the style, and style required, specify the drawing space, and if required, minimum text box spacing in order to adjust the distance between independent lines of text, click OK. How do I consolidate bar marks? Each geometry have been used to model with the associated mark on this information automatically due to the meaning of the model with the design. Some of the bars fall out of the use of the bar mark assignment and still retain. Consequently, there is a potential gap with the bar marks starting at a higher number. To avoid this, reset all marks button on is provided in Visage consolidation feature for the view of the phase 1 during initial design development. You would want to continually consolidate save things that change a lot of the bars, making up with a quickly leaving out lots of gaps. Nothing is being used. There's no problem consolidating phase 2 later stages on information started to issue shared with others. It becomes increasingly preferably not to consolidate bar marks. All drawing, click draw schedule management, select concrete beam column wall schedule drawing variant as required to click reset all marks. How do I apply a revision on the drawing? To apply a revision, click the drawing management, select draw, create revision, enter revision name, enter revision note, click OK. How do I review the revision history of the drawing? Review revision history, click draw, drawing management, select drawing, click history. Object properties.